Please take a second to look over this disclaimer before proceeding to the rest of this video. Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from amasters.com, and today I'm back with an AUT Bot update. I'm going to talk about in this video, we're going to look at a new broker that I'm using the bot on. We're going to talk about some other questions I got. We're going to talk about MyFXBook. We're going to talk about the end of the month results. I got some notes here. We're going to talk about, do you have to manage the trades? Because I said something that was confusing in the other video. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start right here on the site. This is amasters.com, and this is our AUT bot, which stands for Almost Unstoppable Trade. I'm on the silver version, and that version will allow you to trade up to 2 standard lots of Euro USD. That is all this trades, and we're still working on this. We've put a little things on here, talk about our guard dog approach to the trade. And let me just hop right in. Okay. First thing I have here is I'm going to go ahead and cover the trade. We're going to look at what does it look like on the inside. Well, I'm going to do this in the order of my notes. Okay. Trade on Hanko. I want to talk about that, and I want to talk about a trade on the other broker, which was LQD effects. So I'm just going to show you guys the inside of this account. This is an account, and we were trading a bot over here on Hanko. This is a new month, okay? According to the broker's time, it's March. The prior month's over. You can see we had a trade here. It's labeled the first is a buy. Of course, it's on Euro USD. Of course, we got in and out. Let's look at the time. Here's where you see the time that this started, and that starts at 4:03 and 54, and that's over at 4:10 and 44. So roughly about 6 minutes. I think about 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, now over here on Hanko, because the way they're set up, that trade note that it came at 4:03 on the broker. Okay, that's their time, and this is 2.62%. It's gonna vary. Okay, when you see someone, first of my gang, when you see someone giving you a guaranteed same day profit every day, I don't know what they're doing. Okay, it's going to vary. When you hear somebody proposing a business to you and they say this is a business and I've got this business and it does a fixed amount every month consistently. Okay, you guys know, outside of trading, my brother and I own a website, and we retail and we do small wholesale orders with exotic herbs. Okay, now we've been doing this for like 8 years, guys. I can't predict every month is going to be the same thing. That's just not a reality of business, and that's not a reality of trading. I'm gonna get off that little soapbox there. Okay, now let's go over here. This is a new broker. I've been aware of this broker for like 4 years. Someone asked me in the comments, well, Hanko's a little steep. So is there a way to trade this strategy a little cheaper? And So I thought about this broker because I've known of this broker for 4 years. I know other traders who haven't expressed any bad experiences here. This is an offshore broker. They cap you at 300, 1 to 300, which is fine because anything, in my opinion, it's just my opinion, anything over 200 is just giving you too much rope to hang yourself. So over here, what's important is they let you start an ECN account with just $500. I put 6 in here, and let me point something out. Since I don't have as much in this account as I do in the other, okay, and these are both little accounts, to me, you make your own decisions, all right? Since I don't have as much, I'm only trading one half of a standard over here. I'm trading a whole standard over there. Now, today, trade comes over here, and according to their clock, it's 1:58. Okay, and then it's over. Zero. I just totally messed it up. 01:58, and this is 05:53. So we were in and out a little faster. It's like I don't know, what, 4 minutes, something like that, a little under 4 minutes. Okay, the point that I'm getting at here is this is the same trade, the same bot, and it's on different brokers. And you'll notice that I didn't make as much over here. The reason I didn't make as much is because the way this broker is set up, they only let you do 300 to 1, and that's fine. They do charge $7 commission. That's so no matter what happens, if you win, if you lose, whatever, the broker's always going to get his $7 commission. But in exchange for that, they're going to give you a little smaller spread. And that's what you want. You want fast execution. You want a small spread. And hey, there's a cost to do business, so you're going to have to eat commissions. I don't care where you trade at. If you're trading with an ECN, it's going to, all of these things are there. The brokers, the exchanges, they're all there to make money, right? Okay. You don't hear no fluff on my channel. I want you guys to be savvy. If you're listening to me, I want you to be a savvy trader. I want you to know more than 90% plus of the people out there calling themselves trading or whatever. Now, you see I only made $4.50 here? That's why. Because I only got a half a lot, okay? And I only made 1.6 pips. And with just a half a lot, that's only enough for $8. But wait, um, because they're charging $7 for a standard, that means they charge $3.50 in commissions. So that ate up a lot of that little move there. That happens. That happens sometimes. It's cool. There's a cost to doing business. Even that is 0.73% of what this account is worth. Now, bringing me to MyFXBook, that's why someone also wrote me and said, well, you don't have a MyFXBook. MyFXBook can't show you that difference. And it's the same EA, the same bot on just two different brokers. And someone who really has something to offer to you, and this is just my personal opinion, I don't think they'll put it out there to shout to the world on MyFXBook and share all of the data from being tied and connected to their MT4 with potentially with the counterparty. And if they are, that's good for them. I don't get down like that, okay? Now let's go over here. What else I want to hit on? End of the month. Took this snappy. Here we are, end of the month. This is the month of February. We're up $256.17. This constitutes a profit of 25.37%. I drew this arrow, well, whatever it is, I guess, from up there to down here to show you guys this the same number. Down here, this the number right there. $256.17. Look at this number right here, 223. And you see over here, look at this number. This number is 33.17. That's the difference between that 257 and that 223. Why do you care about that? I'm trying to give you game in my videos, value, okay? That lets you know that the counterparty is trying to see, are you profitable and how much are you taking? Because that number is the difference in what I had taken. Because a lot of traders, more novice traders, they just sit and watch numbers go up in an account. And we're gonna take our first big technical word today, and that is unrealized profit. That's what you're looking at, unrealized profit. And hope deferred make of the heart sad. I believe that's in the book of Hebrews. Got to get religious on y'all. And now let's go on. That's our end of the month for February. So, well, scopes over 25%. I got something else. I don't like to show this. I will not be showing these often because I feel like it's kind of inspiring someone. Oh, look, you can take this much out. But I've just shown you that there's a difference, okay, in of your trading a larger ECN account or if you're trading a smaller one, because that's what you feel comfortable starting with. There's a little difference there. But this isn't a large account to me, but this is the Hanko account. Now start a ECN over there is $1,000, but the fees are a lot less and the spread's super small. Okay, it all depends on the liquidity provider. You put all these together. That's January. I think it's January the 8th where I started this at, and that's about $700. And with these little withdrawals, and I say in these videos, make the money, take the money, and you can see in my snapshots as I go along every week. I'm showing you guys, even with this little account, I don't care if I have a $50, $60 day, $80 day, a $2,000 day. I take money. When I get it, I take it. I don't look at unrealized profit. Y'all, that get you off? You dig that? That's by all means. But me, I take money. Okay? If you are listening to me and you're just trading, that's what type of stuff I share. Why? Lastly, let's look at the bot because I've never been able to show you guys the GUI right here of the bot once it is actually up. It's giving you live trade mode. It's on. That's how you will know once you've attached the bot to your 15-minute Euro USD chart. It's giving you the trade amount. That's 0.5 because I'm at a half lot on this littler account. This says partial close at a half. That's letting you know if the bot's crunching the numbers and doing the math, and if the drawdown comes too much, then the bot's going to close half of the position that we have exposed there, starting to size out that way. Okay, this is gold. If I want, I can put up to 8 standard lots on in this gold account. But why would I not do that? Because this is too small of an account. Yeah, I could have made 8 times whatever we made that night, and that's $4.50 times 8, whatever that is 32. 4 more, $36. Okay, same 4 minutes, but I don't have enough in this account. That's why I give you the suggested margins in the PDF. I link to a video that shows how to set up your Forex account in MT4. Everything that I could think of is in the PDF, and the video I done prior to this explains these arrows. Lastly, let's talk about something I said that confused people. Like, oh, well, if I see a white arrow, then that means I got to be sitting there watching the bot. That wasn't what I meant. I'm sorry, because I didn't explain it right. What I meant was if you are the initiated and you're actually monitoring the trade because you know the time when this is going to come on. Okay, you know there's a 4 hour block. You know the time. There's a reason for that because I don't want to jackpot and break brokers. We're gonna be here 4 hours and then we're gone, and there's 20 hours left in the day for them to eat all they want to eat off everybody else because we're most likely gonna be gone, right? But you don't have to watch the bot, is what I'm getting at, and wait for the arrow to turn white to green and then take your trade. If you want, you can do that. And what that means is you're going to be out. The second you see that green arrow, you can click and exit that trade and bag whatever you got. Whatever you got. Because you know that whatever the bot is looking for, that green arrow tells you that a majority of it, 60% or more of it, is right there on the screen for you to grab. And hey, that is going to improve your trading because then it doesn't matter what happens with the rest of the day. You've already bagged yours and got out. Can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. But you don't have to do that. If the bot starts with a white arrow, then you know that's what it's looking for. And for you to actually um, manually monitor it. But you don't have to manually monitor it. You can also just let the bot do its thing. Hey, you may be in the trade longer, that's all, but you can also know if you just if you took the money, you know that day you've bagged something. Okay, this is about consistently profiting every day. That's also that makes trading a lot easier. And every day that you do that, every day that you bag something, even though this is low hanging fruit, you're gonna feel better and better and more confident about your trading. That's gonna make this for you psychologically an almost unstoppable trade. That's all I got, guys. Once again, this is Alfred. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next video.